Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Joann shopping online account. So let's get started without wasting much of our time. Open a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in joann.com and press enter. Once you're inside the main home page, to log out of your account, simply go ahead and mouse over to your profile icon at the top right hand corner. In the pop-up menu, click on Log Out. Once you are done, you'll be able to sign out or log out of joann.com. To sign in back again, you need to enter your correct email and password for your account. So that was how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye. Till then.